Oh, hello, it's the 19th. It's about 4:30. 16:30. I'm just where we've parked up. If you go down to the woods today, be sure of a big surprise. I'm there. I'm not too sure where we're here because there's a park there. There's one there. But I'm not too sure where we are. Does it say on there where we're to? Oh, you're here. Castle Corner. Not too sure what that is. Anyway, we're tucked in here. But what's actually here, I do not know. But I'll quite willingly take you for a whack in the woods. This looks like this is a track. Well, this is the back way to the car park you can't park into. So it's afternoon.
Hello.
So I'm trying to get me bearings. Yeah, so that looks like the car park that you can't get into. And there's a couple of benches here and a pile of sand. But this water here, this should come right into here. I want to go and find out them mountains, but we had to drive about. It's a bit strange, isn't it? That there you can't, got a height barrier, you can't park, and yet literally, well, as far as I saw, just behind there, you can park, which is fine. But you don't obviously get me doing this infantry. Jonah's shot off, so he wanted us to park a little place by the side of the road, and we weren't too keen on that. So he shot off. But it matters not, he'll find us. See, there's another walkway up through there. There's walkways all over the place here. And there's a toilet and dumping station there, which is good. H! Have you found him?
No, he's down there.
Oh, he's down there. He's coming back. So there's not a lot. So he goes about header past minding fucking neutral, doesn't he? So there's all this crap on my floor. It's all my bloody hair, isn't it? So here you go, fiddleoaks. We I don't know if I can prop you up there or not. Certainly turn myself around. And that's it. So I'll speak to you later. Remember, stay classy, still put love you all. Bye bye.